Hi everyone and welcome to my PolyGel nail tutorial. So this is the second time I've ever done nails, so if you're interested in finding out, keep watching. So first of all, I'm going to show you the set that I got. So it's from a brand called Tomica. It comes with a few different coloured polygels. It comes with sizes, which are really great. And it also comes with a UV lamp with several settings, as you can see here. I also bought a drill for myself, which is really handy to kind of, get the nails in the sort of shape that you want really quickly. And it also comes with spare sort of tips and basically filers. I also got a holder and a nail brush, which is really good for cleaning up the nails, and you can see this is how it sort of fits in the holder. It also comes with a nail file, which I really love. It's 100 and 180, I think, which means that it's got a different sort of intensity on each side. And I also got a nail art set, and then also some foils, which you could see I've used in my first ever tutorial on the right here. So first of all, I'm using a cuticle push from Elegant Touch, and I'm basically just kind of cleaning my nails. So it's really nice to kind of prep the nails and make sure they're clean. I also kind of soaked my nails, and I'm pushing back the cuticles and kind of removing the extra skin, just to make sure that the application is super seamless and yeah, that it looks really great. And now I'm also kind of trimming my nails to make sure as well, because I'm using clear nails, which means that my nails are going to show through. So I'm making sure that they're really nicely shaped. And also prepping the nails, so I'm kind of like lightly buffing it down just to make sure everything is quite smooth. Again, this is all to do with application from what I've seen. I'm not a professional, by the way. So I'm also going to be using an acetone nail varnish remover, but you can also use a acetone free one. This is the slip solution. I really love that Tomica has it in a tube, a click-in sort of tube, the brush, but you can also use this sort of brush, which also has an applicator on spatula at the end. So I'm going to actually measure out, which is really good with this. You only need to obviously measure out one hand, because the other hand is going to be the exact same sort of size. So I'm just kind of measuring just to see, which nails fit which nail, and yeah. So I'm first going to show you a method which you shouldn't do. So a lot of people have been saying that polygel is really messy, and I agree, it is when you do it like this. Using the spatula is a big no-no for me, but I'm just going to show you the first sort of thumbnail doing it. So you can see obviously how messy that was. You have to do a lot more stuff as well. So I'm also going to set it for 1 minute. So roughly done it for like 1 minute 30 seconds, but 1 minute is fine to set the nail. And then you kind of twist the top and the nail pops off. And you're left with the shape. So I'm going to show you again how I do it now, which I say is properly. Please do forgive me, because I do go off camera a little bit sometimes. I'm new to this, I'm gonna get better, but this is kind of how I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it again so that you can see properly how I do it. Again, twist it top and it pops off. And that's what it looks like. So you get the polygel, you put just a few sort of pea sizes in. And then you take the solution, the slip solution, with the brush and kind of shape it in the nail. And then I take it to the nail, press it on, just make sure that all air bubbles are out, that it's set in place, and then I put it underneath the light and then I set it for 60 seconds. Now this is the cleanest, simplest and easy way to do it. Again, twist the top off and it pops off. That for me has been super clean, super quick and easy. So I'm going to be doing the exact same with all of the nails. Of course, yeah, it gets messy sometimes. It's PolyGel, but this method is just, yeah, it's amazing. You can just see how quickly it's forming to the nail. I'm able to do it. The slip solution is working perfectly as well. There we are again. Twist, twist, pop. One more nail to go. That's both hands done. So next, let's move on to kind of shaping it. So I'm going to take the nail clipper and kind of shape it how I want. Initially, I did do a coffin shape because that's what you're going to see, but you'll see further on that I do reshape it and make it more of a long oval almond sort of shape. Again, I take the rough side, shape the nails. So each side and making sure I'm doing underneath. So that's one key thing as well, because obviously the application, you need to make sure that the underside of the nails look really kind of neat and smooth. So I'm going to be using this sort of tip on the drill and making sure I'm going underneath the nail and making sure that it's really nice and smooth. I'm also fixing near the cuticle because there was a little bit of an overspill here, but I'm just making sure it's nice and smooth. And this is where you could see me reshaping. So I've changed my mind, changed the shape to this sort of shape. And then now I'm just going to go right over the nails, make sure I'm reshaping it so everything matches. You can see me going under the nails here. Tried with the bigger drill, but it's just not as precise, so I'm just using a smaller drill tip. So both hands are done now, so I'm just finally going over with my board and cleaning it up. And next I'm going to paint my nails. So there's a huge trend going on right now with sort of line or string art. So I really want to kind of do that sort of art on my nails. What's really fun about it is that you can just kind of do whatever. So first I'm going in with a base coat. So the Atomica set comes with a base and a top coat. So I'm going in with the base coat, cleaning it up with some nail varnish remover, just so that it doesn't set around the nails. And now that's a little bit tacky after 60 seconds. I wanted to show you guys that. So I did go in with 2 minutes. You just want to do it until it's dry. So here I'm using a nail art nail varnish, and I think this one's from Primark Beauty, and I'm just using the brush directly on the nails and just really going with it. I'm just going for it, creating art, kind of going in and, you know, refilling, and just until I feel like it looks cool. See, I'm going back in here because I wasn't quite happy with that one, so I'm just making it a little bit bigger, a little bit more abstract. Yeah. So I'm going to set that for, I think it was like 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and then going over it with a top coat, which I will do for, I think, about 2 minutes as well. So you would just press the button for 60 seconds twice. It's really, really nice that it automatically goes off. And then I'm now doing the other hand, and you'll see I'm literally just taking nail varnish remover, removing what I didn't like and kind of repainting it, and now going in with the top coat after it's dried. And so after that's all dried, there was a little bit of overspill with the white, so I'm cleaning that up. And now going in with the Lady Showbiz cuticle oil, and just basically moisturizing my cuticles, and yeah, just bringing my nails back to life. And this is the finished product. I'm hoping you guys really did enjoy that. I will be getting better. I can't wait to do my nails again and show you guys. Let me know if you would love to see that. Make sure that you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you follow me. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.